This Swiss A321neo faces strong wind before landing, so the pilots go around for safety. Here we see a Norwegian Air Force C-130 Hercules making a rare landing on a public road. This Air France 220 hits a bird right after a steep takeoff.
Carol Smith, hello. Nick, good afternoon.
A FedEx 767 makes a late go-round after finding the runway blocked. The Spanish F-18 makes a sudden roll and almost loses control. This Jester 787 bursts a tire on takeoff and comes back safely. This Air France 777 makes a late go-around while approaching Toronto. So that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next flight and don't forget to subscribe.